Ka whispered, "Now's the time. Go." Bagheera moved silently like a shadow to catch the monkeys. Then he scattered the monkeys around Mowgli with his powerful paws. The Banderlogs screamed in terror and fled.
Then he scattered the monkeys around Mowgli with his powerful paws, flinging them this way and that. The Banderlogs screamed in fear and fled.
Mowgli was saved, but one of the monkeys called for help, and soon many more surrounded Bagheera. A few caught Mowgli and locked him inside a walled chamber.